In this video, I'm going to show you how to add smoke overlay effect in your videos with the help of Canva and Capcut. So first of all, you need to come to Canva here, then choose the video option. After that, go to Elements and search for smoke overlay. After searching for smoke overlay, choose Videos and click on See All. Then choose the smoke overlay videos that you want to use in your video project. So I'm going to use this. So drag it to the timeline and you can choose the full video or minimize it. Then you just have to download this video. Go to Share, click on Download. After downloading the video, you have to come to the Capcut online video editor, or you can use your Capcut PC or Capcut mobile here. So I'm using the Capcut online video editor here, which is capcut.com. Then you just need to click on Create a new video. After that, you need to choose your ratio here. So I'm going to choose the 16:9 ratio. Then you need to upload your video here. First, I'm going to upload the smoke overlay and the video that I want to edit in this project. Now, two videos has been uploaded to my timeline. What you need to do is just click on this smoke overlay video and drag and drop it to the upper side of this main video. And then you need to choose this overlay video in the smoke video. Then go to this basic option here. Then you'll see option called blend option. You need to choose screen option. And right now, if I play this video, now you can see there is a smoke effect on the video. Now if you want to download this video, you can just click on Export and download it. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.